Hey guys, this is Mr. NC Boy, and today I'm going to show you what I've been doing this week. All with the blue Sharpie. I got a blue Sharpie, it's been working really well, hasn't come off. And I got my black Xbox, and it looks really nice color. And I got my charging dock, and I made it that color. And now I'm going to show you my remote. Sorry about my voice, I just got up, woke up, and it's like 6 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, so it's like, this was a Halo Reach controller. I'll put up a link to those. And I just got a blue Sharpie colored all over it, and this is what it can look like. So see the Halo Reach stuff right there. It's really nice. I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. And yeah, that. So yeah, I think the next mod I'm gonna do to my controller is the bullet buttons mod. I'm gonna get 4 and 9mm case and shells, and then what I'm gonna do is cut them down to the length of the buttons. Cut off the tip of the buttons once I take it apart, you know, and then sand down, you know, part of it, and then put the insides of the buttons into the bullet casing, and you just put it back in. So yeah, see you guys, and have a nice day.